Why are ACCA professionals in high demand in India and globally? Well, this is a question which I'm asked probably by so many students and working professionals wherever I go. And I'm going to answer this for you very quickly. You see, ACCA as a curriculum makes you very rich with respect to your 21st century global knowledge and global skills. और आज की जो modern day company है ना, जो आज की MNC है वही तो चाह रही है. They want talent which is equipped with the latest technology, with the latest skills, with the latest global perspectives which is going to help you do your jobs better. Now ACCA का जो curriculum है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा rich है और वो आपको अनेकों business और finance subjects सिखा देता है. To give you an example, you learn a subject called financial reporting, which makes you an expert at international financial reporting standards, which are global accounting standards. You learn a paper called strategic business reporting, where you learn how large businesses report their numbers. You learn a paper called financial management, where you learn to handle the finances of an organization, how to best deploy the finances of an organization, how to take financial decisions when you are in the shoes of a decision maker. फिर आप एक subject सीखते हो called performance management, a beautiful paper which teaches you how to look at large businesses, how businesses make interesting strategies, how do they implement their strategies, how do they reach out to consumers, how do they scale up, what kind of advertising do they do, what kind of value chains they have. So you learn everything about how business is done. And that makes you an expert at either doing a business or advising a business. Then you learn laws, you learn taxes, you learn a very interesting paper called SPL, Strategic Business Leader, which teaches you leadership styles, which teaches you how leaders really control large businesses. You learn about modern day technologies in the curriculum which these businesses use. And how are you tested and assessed? Well, exactly the way you're going to work, right on your system. ACCA doesn't have paper pen exams. All exams are on the laptop or the computer. You're actually using spreadsheets the way you would use at the workplace. You're actually crunching numbers in an Excel sheet. You're actually typing your answers in a Word document. They're not testing handwriting. They're not testing presentation. They are testing only articulation and application. So when you go to your jobs with these skills, with this kind of perspective, with this kind of knowledge, your employer values it. Your employer wants to pay you a premium. And that is why you see there are so many undergrads and grads in India that pursue ACCA. In fact, there are so many Indian qualified professionals like chartered accountants who pursue ACCA after doing their CA because they feel that this is what is going to take you places in your jobs. And that's why ACCAs are in high demand in India as well as globally.